Welcome to securities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them. Maybe find your next great Chinese investments Wednesday, November the 16th. I've got one great press release for you. As always, quality over quantity. We only report on the real news-breaking stuff. This comes out of Deyu Agriculture. It trades on the OTC under the stock symbol DEYU. They put up their third quarter numbers, and they're fantastic numbers. I'm going to get to those in a second. This is a China-based, vertically integrated producer and distributor of organic and non-organic corn and grain products. You've got to figure that's a great space. That's a great industry to be in for many of the developing years in China. Looking forward, I'm going to give you the highlight numbers here for the third quarter. Revenue up 313%, unbelievable, to $86.6 million. That's just a monster number. Gross profit is up 177% to $13.5 million. Net income increased 241% to $7.6 million. Talking about triple-digit improvements on top and bottom line, virtually unheard of. I also like the fact that it's got a market cap of $31 million, yet its revenues for the quarter were $86.6 million. Its net income for the quarter was $7.6 million. If it maintains this net income number for the next 4 quarters, it's going to bring in about $30 million in earnings, which equals its market cap today. So we potentially have a company here trading at 1 times earnings that's growing revenue by 313%, gross profit by 177%, and net income by 241%. That is undervalued. Now, the caveat is, as we've said on many occasions, there are babies being thrown out with the bathwater in China, which means a lot of good companies are getting caught up in the reverse merger scandals that are going on. As I've said all along, there are going to be some good companies that are going to rise out of this. They can't all be reverse merger scandals. What your job is to do is to keep track of companies like Deyu here. Do your own due diligence. Do a lot of due diligence. Keep on your radar screen. I don't think you have to rush into them right away because there isn't a big rush for Chinese small cap stocks right now. But once this cloud clears, there's going to be a significant opportunity upside to make some pretty significant money, especially when you got valuations of what looks like to be on an extrapolated basis, 1 times earnings here. So congratulations to Kevin and his team over there at nyse Group. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. One great press release for you. If you look for other great Chinese small cap companies we featured over the past few days, get to the front page of ChinaSecurities.com. Watch this show and take a look at the best headlines to my right to discover the best stories we've covered over the past few days. Finally, get into the marketplace and discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.